Good morning, children. Today we'll study lesson number 10, World's Tell Stories. So, this chapter is about Golconda Port. Let us know about Golconda Port. Golconda is a fortified citadel, an early capital city of the Qutub Shahi dynasty located in Hyderabad. Qutub Shahi sultans ruled here one after another from 1518 to 1687. Over a period of 62 years, the mud fort was expanded by the first three Qutub Shahi sultans into the present structure, a massive fortification of granite extending around 5 km in circumference. The outer wall of this fort has 87 bastions, high angular in shape. Parts coming out of the fort wall are called a bastion. Here you can see the picture of bastion, and this are hall. So they are made to provide security to the port, and big halls were made in them to increase the viewing area, and thus the soldiers peeping through it could have a better vigilance. Golconda Fort has 8 gates, out of which the main gate is Pateh Darwaja, or the Victory Gate. This is the map of Golconda Fort. This map shows so many gardens, fields and factories. That means that not only the Sultan but many other people like farmers and workers must also have been living here with king. In 1686, the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb attacked the Golconda fort with an intention to seize Hyderabad. Here you can see the picture of cannon. This was used by Aurangzeb. His full army came with their guns and cannons to attack, but they could not even enter the fort. The fortress was invulnerable and held out against Aurangzeb for 9 months before falling to the Mughals through treachery. Next, arrangement for water. This picture shows here is made after seeing a very old painting of those times. Now imagine how would this garland of pots lift water from the well. The bullock, here you can see, bullock move the drum. Here drum is given. Drum which in turn moves the toothed wheel. From this wheel, garland wheel is connected through a rod. So as the toothed wheel moves, it rotates the garland wheel, and thus water is lifted from the well. This way the tanks could have been filled by lifting water from the wells that time. Children, do you know Golconda Port have been declared monuments of national importance under the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remain Act 1958. Okay, many things were found when the place around Golconda was dug, like pots, jewelry, sword, etc. Now these all items are kept in museum. Okay, so children, tell me, what do you think? Is it important to have a museum? Yes, because from the antiques kept in museum, we come to know about our culture and heritage. It helps us to know about our culture, art and literature, science and technology, etc. And we can learn a lot of this, so it is very important to have a museum. Here in page 98, here is one question. Why do you think the chapter is named World Tell Stories? What do you think, children? I think it is because every historical structure is a witness of their art, culture, science and technology, and thus appears to tell the stories of that time. So this chapter was named World Tell Stories. Okay, By this, we have completed our chapter 10. I hope you all have understood. So I will meet you again in the next class with new chapter. Till then, take care. Thank you.